The RYOBI 18-volt 1-HP compact brushless hammer drill kit is impressively compact, measuring only 6.7 inches in length, which makes it ideal for accessing tight workspaces. This powerful tool features a brushless motor that delivers up to 2 times more runtime compared to traditional brushed models, allowing you to complete more tasks with each battery charge. It is equipped with a hammer mode enabling versatile drilling through materials like concrete, brick, and block with an impressive 0 to 27,200 beats per minute. The drill's 2-speed gearbox offers a range of 0 to 450 and 0 to 1,700 revolutions per minute, providing flexibility for different drilling and driving needs. A 24-position clutch ensures maximum control, allowing users to adjust the torque settings precisely for various applications. For added convenience, the RYOBI drill includes an onboard LED work light, ensuring that your workspace is always well illuminated, even in dim conditions.